What's going on, guys, and welcome back to KAPS Garage. Today we're going to be working on a 2022 BRZ. We're going to be swapping out the rear differential for an older version. We're getting rid of that 410 and putting in the 430. I'm just going around busting everything loose. So far we got a 17 mil. 17 is for these. We got the Driveshaft, which is 14. So we'll knock these loose, get in there. I'll put it in neutral, spin it around. And the shaft taken off. Busted these loose already. These two right here, the frame, are 19s. So quick show what we got. Driveshaft is off. That's hanging. CV axles are popped. We got the right bushing bolt out, working on these two, and then we'll carefully lower it as I slowly keep slipping these out. I'm probably going to get a little ratchet rope, hang around these, that way we don't ruin either of the boots. You know, better safe than sorry. And we should have this one out in no time. She is out. The axles were a little bit harder to sneak than I thought they were going to be, but all you got to do is take this bolt out, and on the other side, same thing, this one. That way it allows for you to swing this out this way, and you can leave the other side as it is. All you need to do is move the diff this way, which is the driver's side, and it'll be able to pop the axles out. And now I just gotta undress this princess. Alright, almost there. Sweet. There you have it. A different diff. Cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this one right back in, and then I'll just throw that one in the box for them. Sorry that ripped. My bad, Chris. But we're gonna get it up in there, get it right, get it tight, and as you all know, if it fits the ships, we're gonna get her out of here. These are peeps. They dressed her up nice. That's good. Get that other axle in. Not try, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna freaking do it. Alright. This old butterscotch. Make so it can't fall back now. Angle this way. See how much room we got here. Should be just enough to sneak it in. There we go. There we go. Alright. Axles are 3/4 of the way in. We're gonna go up. Alright, now I believe these do have, This little plate right here fell off. These go on top of the differential bushings, right on top here. Now it's just lining everything up. Just to hold it, not a lot of pressure. Get that angle. Kind of sucks. No light down here yet. Maybe one day. Alright, I'm gonna do this. Get the other side, seat these axles, bolt on all of these that I had to sneak off. All that's pretty super easy, actually. I mean, I love newer cars for this reason. Everything comes on and goes off. Simple. Alright, check back with you once I get all of these on, and then we'll work on the drive shaft and then pop the exhaust back on. Alright, so now on to torque specs. These 3 bolts back here, 1, 2, 3, on the rear end of the differential are 46 foot-pounds, and up front, the vertical ones, these are 70. Boom, and boom. We got the drive shaft bolts. These are torqued to, I believe, 54 foot-pounds. I'll double check and torque to what's specified. Went ahead, hanging this off of that. Got these 2 little bolts in. I'm gonna pop this axle in. Just popped this one in. Easy way to do this. There's a little lip right here. You just set your pry bar or flathead or whatever right here. Give it some light taps and it'll move right on in. So I'm gonna get this button up, get that, torque down these because I loosened those to get them out. And this, of course I will drain it if it's got any in it. Obviously there's none in it, but I'm gonna crack that just to make sure, get anything that's left in it, and then fill it. And I will show you what we will be filling it with right here. We are going to be using Gear 300 LS Motul SAE 75 weight 90. You already know it's that 100% synthetic blend of yum yum sauce. If your car doesn't drink it, I will. Keep it running, baby. Look at the hiccups. Well, I'm going to have to finish this. Once again, I do want to give a shout out to Quick Jacks. They have made this job extremely easy. You don't got to worry about bumping a jack. You don't have to worry about a Harbor Freight jack splitting down the middle, and now you're underneath a car that doesn't move because it didn't move. That's why it was on the jacks anyway. But now you're stuck. So good shout out to Quick Jack. Thank you so much for such a good quality product. And SubaruBRZ. Name will send you there.
Couple car lengths on the BRZ. I also just installed the 4.3 limited slip differential from a 2020 BRZ. So we'll be getting some impressions on what that's like on track here at M12. Should have slightly shorter gearing. There's 95 miles an hour.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are